Guys, this just got finished with detail. It's been sitting here for a solid day. They pulled it in yesterday morning. It is 3:40. Runs great. We'll get a drive video next and another walk around and show you guys all about it. I'll take you guys on a quick little drive. We did put it through service. It only had 2 recommendations, which is very surprising on a car this age. One, front passenger window is not working, and there is a little intermittent issue we're still going to need to work on. But there was a bad ground that fixed that, but I think there's something else going on because it's not working. All the other windows are currently working. Recorder windows. It's a retro sounds radio, so it's got Bluetooth, but looks error correct and works. This, I believe, is vacuum operated. You can hear it actually running. When it closes, you'll hear that. It's opening back up. You can hear it close there. Up here, put the camera over towards that front corner there. Antenna is power. It works. All the way up. Bring it all the way back down. This is the map lights. Wipers work. Did you catch that?
Yep. Got it.
So the other recommendation on service was something with the headlights. It was kind of quirky. We had to replace one of the front high beam bulbs, and then there was a bad ground again on that. But now those are working perfectly. I don't know if you'll be able to see from back seat or not, but Cameron, if you point over here to that turn signal lens, that one works. We'll go to the other side here. That one's good. So all the exterior lights working great. Thing starts up, drives really great. And like I said, there wasn't any other recommendations outside of those 2 things. And I think we'll still be able to figure out what's going on with that window. Of course, if you know these, you know that the steering wheel slides over and doesn't let you take it out of park when it's slid over, but the shifter's tight. You can easily tell what gear it's going into. Just do a little lap around the parking lot first. This one does work. Power steering is really smooth. It's too bad they don't do this in new cars. I mean, it is very light, easy. It's awesome. Yeah, it's smooth. It's driving straight. No vibrations, other than this license plate in there. Speedometer on these are cool. I don't know if you can see that or not, Cameron. Brakes are smooth. I guess I never put it into reverse. Look at that for you guys. So we are obviously representing it for a local owner here. It was her father's who passed away last year. And she decided if she was ready to sell it, she called us. And yeah, I was happy to, when I hear of cars like these, obviously you never know if it's going to just, you're just going to be able to get in and run it and drive it. And she called, said, yeah, I'll be right over. She hops in, and it's winter around here, obviously it's chilly. And she just hopped in and drove it over. And that's really makes sense now after driving this thing. Engine sounds really smooth. That was reversed. It's, again, very smooth. And everything down it, I mean, even this like cigarette lighter down here, that works. We tested even that. It's got this little sliding cover here. Center console. I don't think anybody's going to be upset about this thing. Paint's in really great shape. It's been repainted at some point in its life. It spent most of its entire life up until more recently in California, where her father lived until more recently when we moved back here to Fort Wayne when his health started declining, it sounds like. So paint, again, looks great. You can, in some very, very minor areas, you can see that it has been like a little bit around the turn signals. You can see a little bit of overspray, or not, like a masking line that was very, very, very minute. Again, I was looking over it very particularly, so. But otherwise, the paint is really even all the way across. There's no runs that I could find, no like orange peel or fisheye, anything like that. So I don't think you'll be able to negate that or disqualify it, I guess, from the quality of the paint. Feel free to reach out if you want to come see the car in person. We've got it here in Fort Wayne. Thank you guys for watching.